quick and dirty. I just got up here to camp, and I wanted to show you guys where the water bounces back up off of the trash can, and then the red steps, and then the ramp. You can see how that constantly wetting, that splashing, discolored that. So if we walk around the shed, very little discoloration on the bottom. And remember, this was one application, so there's the rest. And yeah, it's been raining all day. It's overcast right now. It's not sunny and bright. I'm sorry about that. Here's the back. And what's weird is I'm looking at the camera, and the bottom with my eyes, I can barely see it. For some reason, the camera makes it look gray. That is weird. It really, hold on, let me pause this for a second and try to clean my camera lines. I'm not sure what's going on, why even the building doesn't look as bright as it does. Does that look any different? Still doesn't look as bright as the building. The building has a reddish tint to it for sure, to me. And you don't really see that as well with the camera. But, okay, so people asked, and one of the big reason here, so this is the 50-50 mix, right? That's the 100% mix. See how it's a grayer shade, blacker shade. I don't know how you would call that, but you can see the contrast between this here with the oil and off-road diesel, and that over there, which is straight oil. Now, the backside, the wood on the side opposite of here was old wood that was weathered and blackened from just sitting out for a couple years. Let's see how that looks. Now, that's dirt. If I took a hose and a scrub brush to that, that's just dirt bouncing up, because I have my pitched roof runs back, falls down, and you can see beating the line in there, and it's throwing dirt up on the building. Okay, this was brand new cut wood. And this was that real old wood. Even it lightened up. It was like, well, like you see that piece there. But the problem is that wood was black before I put oil on it. So it's deceptive. But this was like just straight oil. It's a different color for sure, and it takes longer for sure. But it does eventually soak in really well, you know. Yeah, you're seeing both the 50-50 and the straight oil. But you can also see where the wood sucked it in so much that I should have done 2 coats last year, or should have had, you know, there's not enough oil on that wood. That's what that's telling me. If it's sucking in like that, or you come around the knots and you can see the white, you know, how almost not oiled that looks. And you see that like around here. So that just shows you that the wood is drawing in more oil. It wants more oil than I'm giving it. And there's Adam. He's here to help me finish the board and bat and stuff. But yeah, so definitely gonna clean the bottom up here. I'll hit it with the hey Adam. Yeah, you can't see him in the window. I'll clean this stuff up with the pressure washer, get all that black off. I'm gonna re-oil it, but I mean, like look at that board, you know, that board right there. Like, it doesn't look like I oiled it at all. Obviously I did. I sprayed the whole thing. Actually, that one there has real light also. So yeah, one coat. I'm looking back at it saying 1 coat, not enough. So pressure wash all that, get it all clean, and then maybe I'll hit it 2 times this year. I'll spend big bucks. I'll spend like 30 bucks on it this year. But anyways, that's it. Just wanted to share and show. All right, guys.